Hello student, linear regression. As our previous video, we studied the meaning of linear regression, simple steps to find the regression line, methods of linear regression, and board weightage of marks of linear regression. Now in this video, I would like to explain you the formulas, list of formula which is given at page number 149 of your textbook Statistics Part 1. In previous video, we discussed that like previous two chapters, the linear regression is also based on the formulas. So, we have to carefully understand, properly read and write and remember exactly the different formulas. As in the steps we studied, there are 3 steps to find the regression line. The first step is regression coefficient. The regression coefficient is denoted by B. Here it is B or BYX. To find the regression coefficient, that is B or BYX, there are different 5 formulas. First formula, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. 6 different formulas are there to find the regression coefficient. Now question arises in our mind, which formula we have to apply to find the regression coefficient. So students, it is depend on the situation of the sum. The question which is given, on basis of that particular question, we have to see that which formula of regression coefficient we can apply. You all remember that in linear correlation, I provide you the notes that different formula, in different formula, which formula we can apply for which situation. Same way students, in linear regression also I would like to give you the detailed note that which formula of regression coefficient, that is B, you can apply as per the situation. So the first formula, when x bar and y bar are integer. Integer means not in fraction, like x bar is equals to 10, like y bar is equals to 15. It means they are not in fraction, they are only in integer, not in point. Then formula of regression coefficient is B is equals to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon sigma x minus x bar square. Now if you remember the formula of correlation coefficient R, when x bar and y bar are integer, then the numerator is same. The whole numerator is sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar. In upon, we write 2 things in correlation, but in regression, only one thing we have to write, that is sigma x minus x bar square, and there is no under root also. Clear? Now second, when the number of x and y are small means less than 30. In such situation, in such question, the formula to find the regression coefficient, that is b is equals to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square. Clear? When the digits are small means less than 30, then the numerator is same as linear correlation. You all remember it, n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y. In upon, only we have to write the position of x. And one more thing is, there is no under root. If you observe properly, in first formula and second formula, upon always situation of x is there. It is the half formula, then correlation. Third circumstances, when x bar and y bar are not integer, it means they are provided in fraction. For example, x bar is equals to 10.54, y bar is equals to 9.69. It is in point, not integer. Sometimes very big digits are there, like 1500, 2000, 5000, 10,000, and sometimes the question is provided in the point. Point means 0.465, 0.487, 0.587, like that. At that time also we have to apply the UV method. The UV method is also known as shortcut method. The formula of regression coefficient, that is B, in UV method is B is equals to n sigma UV minus sigma U into sigma V upon n sigma U square minus sigma U the whole square. The another formula or next formula of regression coefficient, that is B. The situation is when application of division to reduce the digits. It means when we have to apply one common digit from all the digits, like if all the values of x divisible by 5, then we have to divide it all the digits by 5. If all the digits are divisible by 2, then we can in question divide all the digits by 2. Our purpose is that our digits become small. So students, when we apply the division concept to reduce the digits, then as like the previous third formula, there is one little bit change is there. The formula to find the regression coefficient, that is B, is equals to n sigma UV minus sigma U into sigma V upon n sigma U square minus sigma U the whole square into Cy upon Cx. Here Cy means class interval of y. Suppose the y have y, all the digits of y divide by 5. Then in place of cy we have to put 5. Cx means class interval of x. Suppose we divide all the digits of x by 2, then in place of cx we have to put 2. So when we apply the division to reduce the digits, then the same formula as the third formula, but we have to add, we only multiply with cy upon cx. Now next formula, the situation is when correlation coefficient, that is R, is given in the question. See, correlation is provided to find the regression coefficient, that is B. So when R is given, the formula to find the regression coefficient is B is equals to R into Sy upon Sx. Here R means correlation coefficient, Sy means standard deviation of y, Sx means standard deviation of x. So formula is B is equals to R into Sy upon Sx. Sixth situation, when covariance xy is given in the question, when they give us the covariance xy and we want to find the regression coefficient, that is B, then the formula of B is covariance xy upon Sx square. Students, here are the six different formulas, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 to find the regression coefficient. I explain you the different situation that when we have to apply which formula to find the regression coefficient, that is B. B is also denoted by Byx or simple B. Now, after find out regression coefficient, now we have to move toward formula of constant. Here is the formula. No need to worry because the constant has only one formula. Only one formula is there to find the constant. Constant is denoted by A. The formula of constant is A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. The formula of constant A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. Now we move towards the formula of regression line because our third step is to find the regression line. Regression line is denoted by y cap. Three steps are there to find the regression line. First, find regression coefficient, that is B or Byx. Second step, find out constant, that is A. And third and last step is regression line. Regression line is denoted by y cap. The formula to find the regression line is y cap is equals to A plus Bx. Here we can understand, students, that A means constant, which I explained in the last formula number 7, A, answer of A. B means regression coefficient, which I explain you by different 6 formulas, that is B. And X means X. when they provide us some value of x, then we have to put that value in place of x. Otherwise, we put only x as a x. So the formula of regression line is y cap is equals to a plus bx. Now last formula of the chapter is coefficient of determination. Coefficient of determination is denoted by capital R square. The simple formula of capital R square is small r square. Small r square means r is equals to correlation coefficient. So we have to find the correlation coefficient, that is r, and we have to do the square of it. So by this way you can able to understand all the formulas of regression analysis, and if you properly remember the formula of linear correlation, then you can definitely easily able to understand the formula of regression analysis.